गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चे लोग। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 4th का चैप्टर 1 मैथ चैप्टर 7 जस्ट एंड वर्क। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ठीक है, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, चलिए रीड करते हैं। बनी एंड बानो सेलिब्रेट their wedding anniversary. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? See Math Magic class 3rd page 153. Bunny and Banu decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. They invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish kheer. All animals came running, hopping, and even crawling. Elephant is drinking 50-liter kheer. 50 liters of kheer. Giraffe is drinking how many liters of kheer? The cow is drinking how many liters of kheer? Then the squirrel shed dusky. You can see, आप जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पर देखिए, आपको यहाँ पर एक बाल्टी मिलेगा। सबसे बड़ा बाल्टी हाथी लिया है और सबसे छोटा बाल्टी इसमें से सबसे छोटा बाल्टी है। आप तक इसमें तीन ही दिखेगा। चलिए इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं। आप इसमें कर सकते हैं जिराफ इज ड्रिंकिंग 40 liters of kheer. Cow is drinking 30 liters of 30 liters. They came scared. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me 500 milliliters. The donkey asked, 5 milliliters of kheer is not that more than 1 liter. The fox said, come on, don't believe like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliters is half a liter. The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only wanted 100 milliliters each. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat. While serving the kheer, she took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliters, which how many is that? The fox get another chance to show off. He said, this simple 10 times 100 milliliter is dash milliliters and is equal to dash liters. 10 multiply 100 milliliter. 100 multiply 10 is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter, 1 liter. Don't worry, they won't drinking much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. That is all. I will share my kheer with them, the elephant said, and with the cat. Cats turned his with his ear. How many are you all together? The elephant asked. We are only 1000 stairs and ants. The cat said, oh no, 1000? We have give key to 1000 ants? After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. Each ant drinking 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 wants drink 1000 multiply 1. 1000 milliliter. They will need the same as 10 frogs, said the donkey. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. Page 73. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? Yes. What do you call it at home? No. Much kheer can you have? Yes. Can you drink 1 liter water on one time? Yes. I think I can drink 1 liter. I can drink 400 milliliter. Dash milliliter, dash milliliter, 250 milliliter, 1 liter. The donkey is trying to look for different ways to up to 1 liter. Help him the chat. Friends, we will do this on next part. Packet milk. We will do this next part. Bye. Today my video you like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.